Hello everyone, Ranjit this side. So in this video we'll be going through what is a head and shoulders chart pattern, and then we will go through how to identify the pattern, how to take the entry into the head and shoulder pattern, how to set up the stop loss, and then how to set up the profit targets, and then last but not the least we will go through the Python code. Head and shoulders is reversal pattern which is seen after normally an uptrend. It's going up and then again up and then it goes down. So when there is two shoulders over here and then there is a head over here, so it means there is a chance of the market is about to reverse. How do you get that? It's because of the head and shoulders pattern. How to identify this pattern? First we have to look for three successive peaks. So we have 1, 2 and 3. So this is called the left shoulder, this is called the right shoulder, and then we have an head. So head is always higher than the left shoulder and the right shoulder. Then there is a neckline that is formed between left shoulder, right shoulder and the head. So it means there is a chance of this line, like the right shoulder's line, to go down below the neckline. Whenever there is a breakthrough, so it means there is a high probability of the market is about to reverse. Now how to take the entry is again big question, because sometimes head and shoulders could be incorrect. You always need to have a patience. It's very common. I mean, every third or fourth chart you will see that there is a head and shoulder pattern. So you have to wait for some time, or let's say you need to have a patience, but I will tell you how to do this. Now if you see, you have a left shoulder, you have a head, and then you have a right shoulder, and then you have a neckline over here. Where you should wait is basically over this area. So when this candle crosses the neckline, that's where you start to take an entry. But wait, because this could be a false signal. Wait for this retest. So this retest is very important. So if it do not gives you the retest part, there is a high chance that it might go back up, like this. So you will face a big loss. So because since see, this is already in the uptrend, right? So this is uptrend, this is uptrend. So there is a small, let's say, a right shoulder which could reverse back. So always wait for this reversal before taking a trade, or let's say an entry, right? So you could probably take entry somewhere over here. Do not make mistake. Now suppose this reversal actually went up. What you can do, you can set up a stop loss. The stop loss could be somewhere over here. So this is stop loss. After the candle closes over here and then it goes up and then goes up. As soon as it touches this candle or this area, you can place a stop loss over here, or place a stop loss of 2%, 5% or 10%, whatever your capacity is. But I would not suggest to go above 2%, especially for the head and shoulder. Now you have set up the stop loss or you have done the entry. Now the next most important point, where to set up the profit target. One of the option is to check the height of this head, right? And then do the same over here. So this is your take profit area. So if you are taking, or let's say if you are making an entry over here, so this line or this height should be similar to this height. So as soon as you, so this can be your profit taking area. Now this option could be limited, right? I mean, you will not have much profit if the market is again going more down, right? Or let's say keep on taking the profit. Now for that, what you can do, you can create a stop loss over here, or you can take a partial profit here, again a partial profit over here. Over here you can take out 50% of profit, and then again out of 100 again you can take, let's say, 50%. So in that way also you can take out profit little by little, so that until unless there is a good movement or there is no reversal, then till then you can take the profit. Now let's go back to the algorithm, how to automate this whole process. Now I will make it very quick. We are trying to get the data from the Yahoo Finance. So we have imported Yahoo Finance library, and then here we are identifying the peaks. So basically we are identifying what is a minimum peak, then again we are calculating the peaks over here, so minimum and the maximum. Here we are using aggregate extrema function. How to detect the head and shoulders? So first of all, we are taking out the max after dropping any data in the from the data set. Now we are creating the left shoulders, right shoulder and head over here, and then again we are appending a multiple head and shoulders. Then you can use this code to append the data set over the previous data set. And then here we are creating a plot to show it on the graph. So this is the main function that we have created for the VBL, Varun Beverages Limited, from 2020 to 2024. If there is no data or there is no head and shoulders pattern detected, it will show you that. Let me just auto scale it. I have used Plotly just to have interactive graph over here. Suppose if our data set is not showing you any kind of pattern, please don't use that kind of pattern for that particular stock, because every pattern or every strategy goes with a particular stock. So not every stock works great with every strategy or every let's say indicator or even every pattern. So you have to find out which one goes good with which strategy. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.